installed for Wagoner. Earlier it is coming the mileage for around 17 kilometers per liter petrol, and now it is coming 25 liters per liter because of Bhadra Fuel Saver Kit. So 17 నుంచి 25 అండి, 8 kilometers పెరిగింది for Wagoner petrol.
I'm Anand, and I'm basically from Kerala, and I'm working in Jabalpur as a church pastor, and I own a Wagoner old model 2004 which was having low mileage, and I came to know about this carbonantidote which was being given to the cars. I also tried it out last July, and my mileage was only around 15 or sometimes 14 with AC. But then it shot up to 20 after the carbonantidote. I had a very good response out of it. So after that was cleared, now it is approximately 1 year. I finished more than 30,000 kilometers in that. So now recently I have put the Bhadra kit, Bhadra Fuel Saving Kit with this technology, and within 2 days I observed that my mileage has gone from 18 to 25. So it's expected to go more higher as the vehicle runs more. So this is a very good option which I have got to save on fuel and on economy. And I thank the Bhadra Kit team here at Hyderabad and different places. Whatever work they are doing is very excellent, and I am very happy with it.
Okay sir, thank you sir, and definitely we require your recommendations for the next kits. Thank you.